Hello, welcome to another ADHD Customs. Today we've got unboxing video for some bits that I bought for the Passat and other stuff, and I can't actually remember what I bought. This is only half of the stuff I've bought since I sold the T4 and spunked all the money. Not all of it, most of it. Right, look at this. We've got a few bits and bobs here that I am going to open and see what's in them. So let's do an unboxing video. Let's see what I got, because I can't remember. First box. What we got? Let's have a look. Bread knife, as you do. What we got in the box? Oh. Ooh. Right. Why is this camera so... got to bend down to be on screen? We've got... they're stuck together. Front wheel spacers for the Passat to bring them out more. There. Then hit no. And this is the longer. Oh, get them out. The longer wheel bolts. Keep looking there, but I'm meant to be looking at the camera there. Longer wheel bolts to go with the spaces. You got to have them, otherwise you crash and burn and stuff. What's next? Ooh, it's exciting stuff. What we got in here? Oh yeah, side indicators for the Golf Cabriolet, because they're just horrible standard ones. And the red with the black looks nice, but the lights and indicators are letting it down. Look at this. Oh, I've got this plasticky stuff. Oh. Let's do it again. Look. Oh. There we go. LED ones. What? Oh, that must plug in. Oh, I see. That's got a thing on it that's like the same as the bulbs. So the bulbs just slide in. So that just plugs into the... that's plug and play. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Obviously, two of them. It's pretty cool. I think it also goes... yeah. Okay. That one. What is in this one? Just brewed it open. Okay, like parcel. Box in a box. What is it? It's a box in a box in a box. What if it's another box? Ah, yes. That is the resistor. It should have a rubber seal on it. I'll have to use it. That's supposed to have a rubber seal on it, unless it's on the other bit of the vehicle. Anyway, that is for my Passat. On the Passat, the heater dial, the fan dial, sorry, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4 fan speed. I've only got number 4, and it's all to do with this resistor. And before, because you can't get right-hand drive ones of these anywhere, because this here's a different shape, because it goes across and up. I can only ever get left-hand drive ones, but I found a place that does right-hand drive ones, and this is it. Last time I had to twist and solder that, whatever that piece there is called. I can't remember what it's called now, resistance thing. But anyway, my fans are working the Passat now. Put it back in the box, within a box, within a box. What have we got here? this. Oh, this has nothing to do with any of my vehicles. My son's scooter broke its belt, so there's a new belt and variator I've got to do at the weekend. Boring, not mine. Boring. And this one. What's this one? This one is long. What is it? What is it? Oh, this is a thing for putting a tow bar. It's not even mine again. It's a tow bar thing for the lights. It's a wiring kit for a T5 tow bar. Got a massive box in the hallway to put a tow bar onto my girlfriend's T5 that I bought her because I'm nice like that. And you can't just wire it straight into the lights on T5.1s. You've got to have this wodgy relay system, pain in the arse. So I'll be doing that at the weekend. I don't know, not sure if any of you lot want to see that, to be fair. It's a T5. So that's not mine. That's not as exciting as I thought it was going to be. I have got some other bits though that already came. I've already unboxed them, but one of them's holding the phone up. Can I move that without the phone falling over? Ooh. One of them is this stainless steel big old exhaust clamp for a stainless steel exhaust. Let's put that there. Another one is this very long piece of stainless steel exhaust to replace the back box on the Passat. We're going straight pipe, baby. Straight pipe. PD150 straight pipe. No, and decat as well. We're talking straight from the turbo out the back of the car. So that'll be coming up soon. So yeah, anyway, I think that's all that's come so far. There's other stuff to come in the post. So yeah, thanks for watching my boring unboxing video. And yeah, there'll probably be another one coming up soon. But some of this stuff's getting done at the weekend. I actually thought some of this stuff was other stuff. That's kind of ruined my video. I thought some of it was some really cool stuff I'm waiting for, and it's actually not. It's bits from my girlfriend's car and my son's scooter. So yeah, you saw some of it, so you get an idea what's going to happen. But straight pipe, I'm so looking forward to doing. Watch out for that video. Anyway, peeps, check out my shop on YouTube for all the merch, and see you in the next one.